What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are up at our Dutchess yard and we have a few different things going on here today. First, behind me here we have this white F350. This truck is pretty much ready to go. You may remember in a past video I mentioned that it had a leaky power steering line. That was this line here. So we bought it from the dealer. Rodrigo replaced it today. He just has it running to get all of the air out of the line, which I think he already did. I think in one of my last videos I showed that we have this electric over hydraulic motor mounted on the front here for the plow on this Peterbilt. Another thing that's going on, the landscape trailer is connected to the mason dump, but the hitch on that is too high, so unfortunately they can't tow it down with that truck. We're gonna have to tow that down with my pickup truck one day next week or later this week. This truck here is ready to go. I'll hop in it. Wait, did you disconnect the battery?
No.
All right, I wanna make a video of this real quick. So the plow works fine, and then this morning they opened this up. You can see it spinning freely by itself now. Cleaned this entire thing out and refilled it with oil, so the chain works properly and the spinner works properly as well. So this truck is ready to go. I don't know if I've ever shown you guys the inside of this truck, but it's pretty simple setup. You have your PTO switch here. This master switch turns on the pump, and then you have your plow controls here, salt spreader controls here. You pull this lever back and it allows the hydraulics for the rear to work. All right guys, we pulled this scissor lift out. We had this in the back of the garage here, and I need to load it on our aluminum trailer later after I pick it up from the welder. We also parked this truck a little bit farther back, that way we can move in and out of here. now we can see again. It's a beautiful thing. Oh wow, we can really see this truck is lit up on the spotlights. There's even spotlights on the mirrors. I'll show you guys in a second. Wow, they are blinding. I just want to put 2 more straps on this that actually, I think I'm gonna put 4 from up higher out to the sides, just because this thing's tall. It seems like it's definitely not top heavy, but it seems like going around a turn it could want to lean one way or the other, and we don't want this thing to tip over on us. All right, we are all strapped down. I have 4 straps, 4 big straps down low, 2 pulling each way here, and then 2 pulling to each side on the back here. I know you can't see anything really here. And then I have 4 smaller straps just up top, 2 on each side to stabilize this thing a bit. Hopefully we don't run into any issues. I think we should be all right. I've never towed this thing anywhere, so that's why I'm a bit concerned. But the upper section there really has no weight. One thing I want to do before I hit the road is throw a tape from the ground to the top of that, just to see exactly what my height is. That way I don't go somewhere I shouldn't. But let's take a look at all of the spotlights on this pickup truck. It is pretty crazy. If you hit the light for your bed light, it turns those 2 on. It turns this one in here, that one over there. It turns the light out here on, and then you have 2 super bright spotlights on each one of your mirrors. So it really lights this up pretty well for just lights off of the truck. But I'm gonna back this thing up to the upper garage up there where those lights are shining. It is pitch black here, and it's only, I don't even know if it's 5 o'clock yet. But we're gonna go up there, then we'll run down, we'll grab the tool cat, get the tool cat parked, and then I'll show you guys those ratchet straps real quick. All right, so I lied to you. I'm not backing this up the driveway. It is too dark to back it all the way up there. I don't want to accidentally hit something. So before I park the tool cat, these ratchet straps, I was just finding them, and you can see it doesn't make any noise at all. And this piece here that you grab is like not in the slot there, and I think it might be twisted. This one is completely knocked out. The spring came out. The spring's right here. So obviously these are not as great as I originally thought they were, but I think that is going to wrap it up for this one. The reason I loaded this scissor lift on our trailer here is the guys are starting the new build on tomorrow's Wednesday. On Thursday at our Orange County yard, the trusses got delivered this morning, and this is going to make it so much easier being able to lift up right in between the trusses, with it being that it is so narrow and you can work in it. I think the trusses have a 4-foot spacing. Don't quote me on that, but either way, we need to drop this off there tomorrow. I'm actually running to Maryland. I was supposed to go to Maryland today, but being that the taillight on the trailer got snapped off, obviously I can't go all the way down to Maryland without a taillight, and especially if I get home when it's already dark. Definitely don't want to be running down the roads without one taillight. So I'm going to drop this off in Orange County in the morning on the slab. I'm going to start early. I'll probably leave my house at like 6 a.m. I'll be in Orange County by like 7, have this thing unloaded and on the road down to Maryland. From there, it should be about a 3.5-hour drive, hopefully. And I'm planning to be back home, if I'm lucky, 3:30, 4 o'clock. So that's what is on the schedule for tomorrow. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.